Hello viewers, today we are making beef masaledar biryani. So let's begin with our ingredients. So first we're gonna put some oil in there, 1 cup of oil, and now I'll add 3 medium size of onion, as you guys can see. And now we will stir it until it get golden brown, and we'll put some our whole garam masala in there, half teaspoon haldi, red chili powder 2 tablespoon, biryani masala 2 tablespoon, coriander masala 2 tablespoon, as you guys can see, and salt to taste, half kg beef, 4 to 5 tomatoes, half cup yogurt, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon. And now add ginger garlic paste in our brown onion. As you can see, we're gonna stir it. Okay. And now we will add our beef. As you guys can see, we're gonna stir the beef. This is so yummy. I love beef. And now we're gonna put some tomatoes in there, or tomatoes, and our spices goes in, and it will give our taste back in our mouths. And now we'll stir it nicely and easily. Okay, and now next step is we're gonna put some yogurt in there, or yogurt. And now we'll add 2 cups of water, and now we'll put the lid. First we'll just mix it, and now we're gonna put the lid here. And now 4 cups of rice, mint leaf, coriander leaves, and food coloring, and brown peas. And now we will put our, first we'll stir it, and now we'll put our coriander leaves in there, just some, not all. And now we are going to add our green chilies in there. Stir it. If you want, you can take out the seeds. And now we will add our rice in there. All of our rice goes in. As you guys can see, our whole rice are in there. We just separated it. We'll put some coriander leaves and mint leaves. And now put some our brown peas. We didn't forget our brown peas. Food coloring goes in. And now we'll put the lid. First we'll add some, and now lid it. And now we cooked it for about half an hour. And now we will see the texture, the yumminess, the deliciousness, the meat and the beef taste has once and for all mixed in biryani. And now put it in a plate. If you guys like this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video. But like it now, please. It just takes 1 or 2 seconds, please. It's free. If you want it, you can unlike anytime you want, but please like, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz. I love biryani.